Okay, so today we're going to be wiring up our 16 by 2 LCD display with no potentiometer. So let's start with our display here, 16 by 2, pins are on here, all 16. We got 14 of these male-to-male jumpers. And we got the Arduino. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with our display. We're going to pop it into the slots of the breadboard. It should all fit perfectly. All 16 pins. You might have to jimmy it a little bit. See, you might have to like push it down so it sits flush on the Arduino board, on the breadboard. I mean, see that? Nice and flush, so there's full contact on the pins. So that way when we power it up, everything works properly. So now I'm going to take this and I'm going to wire it up like that. Keep everything nice and straight, because these pins are going to go straight into the Arduino board. So here each of these items is labeled. So I'm going to start from the leftmost pin. Which is here, and I'm just going to pop it out to the very front so we can easily see where the pins start and end. So at the leftmost pin, we're going to go to ground on the Arduino. Then we are going to go to the next pin. We're going to create a mini power bar because we're going to have to feed power to different points of the LED. So 0, 1, 2. The fourth pin, 1, 2, 3, 4. So there we go, 5 volts. And you guys know how the game goes. So with this bus bar, anything I put on this rung will also contain 5 volts. So use orange wire, put that to pin 2. That's 5 volts that goes here. Now I'm going to go to pin 3, which is going to go, so pin 3 is going to go to pin 6 on our digital output. Then we're going to go pin 4. It's going to go to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pin 12 on our board. Then pin 5. So the green wire will go to the second ground on the Arduino, like so. Pin 6 over here. We'll go to pin 11 on our digital outputs. Right beside there. And then we skip 4 pins, so we don't use the middle 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this 5th pin, so 4 pin gap here. We tilt that so you can see it. It's a 4 pin gap because we don't use these 4 for this configuration with no potentiometer. So pin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You gotta keep track of these pins because they do get kind of messy. So we need to make sure that we're not getting lost in the process. So this pin goes to pin 5. The next pin goes to, so like it says pin 1 on the other side, pin 2 on the other side goes to pin 4 on the Arduino. The next pin, oh wait, do we have, yes we do. Pin 3 on the other side goes to pin 3 on the Arduino. Pin 4 goes to pin 2 on the Arduino. And lastly, pin 1 here goes to the power bar that we made here. So let me shift this one pin, put it to our power rung. So this is another section that uses power. Since we use this one rung, all of these are 5 volts because the Arduino is spitting out 5 volts here, and they're all on the same node. So since they're in parallel, the voltage is shared and they're all the same. Then my final pin will go to the ground on the other side of the Arduino. So we don't use pin 13. In the next video, we're going to load up the code and then we're going to power the LCD. So right now, here I could show you real quick. There's a bird's eye view. This is the Arduino with all of the wiring with no potentiometer. Here we'll hook it up just to show you guys that nothing burnt. And here we go. So in the next video we're going to load up the code for this item. And we're going to show some writing and text on the screen. Thank you.